yes, all eyes are going to be on Tech Mahindra because along with Wipro, it's going to be coming out with its numbers later today. So let's understand what the street is largely penciling in on a sequential consolidated basis. Revenue is expected to come in at 14,168 crores, which is absolutely flat, an uptick of about 1 to 1.5% on a sequential basis. EBIT is expected to grow up by about 4.5 to 5% sequentially. It's the net profit number that we are going to be watching out for very closely. Lots of positive factors here. We're expecting to see a jump of 14.5% here on a sequential basis. So this is going to be important to watch out for. And EBIT margins are expected to also see a slight uptick at 12.6% compared to 12.1% in the previous quarter. Also largely what we're expecting to see, the constant currency revenue growth is seen at just 0.5% led by retail and the Comviva business, and net new deal wins are expected to range between 875 to 900 million US dollars, which is up 10% on a sequential basis and 20% on a year-on-year basis. Let's understand some more expectations. Revenue growth is expected to be led by the retail and the Comviva businesses. EBIT margin expansion is expected to be led by operating efficiencies, and the rupee depreciation should also aid the margins. New deals are likely to have higher margins than the existing ones, so that is another key positive for Tech Mahindra. And strong verticals are expected to be BFSI, retail, logistics, transport and healthcare this time around. On the flip side, we're expecting to see some weakness in the affected verticals like high-tech, manufacturing and telecom. So when the numbers do come out later today, watch out for the impact of the labor cost charges that we have seen impacting other IT companies, the momentum that they have in the consulting and Gen AI segment, their deal pipeline, conversion timelines and some pickup if expected in the deal pipeline when it comes to Europe, revenue leakage in existing accounts, telecom segment demand outlook and any outlook on the 5G technology, the TCV deal wins and any update on capital allocation policy. All of these are going to be important metrics to watch out for when it comes to Tech Mahindra. But yes, overall we're expecting a very decent show in Q3 from Tech Mahindra.